1, go.
All right, and robots are moving and grooving. All right, and we see a piece of coral go up for Team 6023, but it doesn't go onto the reef. Over onto the Blue Alliance side, Team 3635 Flying Legion able to take that piece of algae off from the reef. Looks like we have one piece of coral up on the L4 level for the Blue Alliance. 8080 responds with one up on level 4 for the Red Alliance. Team 6023 Disbots trying to go ahead and score, but it bounces back off onto the ocean floor. 8080 also trying to score, bounces right off the ocean floor. 4188 pop a shot, and it looks like they score for the Red Alliance. Right now we have 1 minute, 53 seconds left. 4188 Columbus Space Program goes ahead and grabs another piece of algae, trying to get around the field, and they go ahead and drop a piece of algae into the processor. Team 8080 trying to go ahead and put a piece of coral onto the reef, over onto the other side. 6829 Ignite Robotics able to go ahead and grab a piece of coral. Looks like they're going to go ahead and get into position, and they score fast and specifically Team 6925 going over to go ahead and drop a piece of algae off into the processor. 4188 drops another piece of algae off into the red barge. Over again, 4188 playing a little bit of pop a shot, and looks like they're gonna pop it in, and it goes right over the barge, back over into the Blue Alliance side of the field. Team 6023 and Team 8080 just trying to go ahead and fill up the reef for the Red Alliance. Surely another one up for Team 4188 over onto the Blue Alliance side. Team 6925 looks like they're going to go over, play a little bit of defense onto the Red Alliance, with 6829 trying to get in position along with their alliance partners to go ahead and drop another piece of coral off onto the reef. 4188 goes up, they shoot and score for the Red Alliance. Right about 34 seconds left. Only a little lead for the Blue Alliance, and that lead is dwindled down to 3 for Blue. 4188 goes up, they shoot, and they score for the Red Alliance with right about 20 seconds left. And it's a tie game right now. Anything can happen. Team 8080 trying to drop a piece off onto the reef, but it falls to the ocean floor. 6023 Disbots able to throw one onto the L1 level. Blue has regained that small little lead with 5 seconds left. Let's see what happens with Team 6023 trying to score that last piece, and they're not able to get it off. Right now, Blue has a little lead going into the end of this match, but we'll see how the math works out for match number 86. Now remember, after you finish your last match, go ahead and get your robot re-inspected by our robot inspectors. Also, make sure to have your alliance selection team ready to go ahead and be ready for our alliance selection happening after match number 90. That can be 2 students and a mentor, or 3 students total. You will be meeting in blue queuing. All right, let's take a look at that score. And Blue Alliance takes the match with a score of 132 to 124 to the Blue Alliance. 3635 moves up to 34, 6925 moves up to 24, and 6829 moves up to 25. On the Red Alliance side, 4188 drops down to 22, 8080 to 26, 6023 to 33 with only that 1 ranking point on the Red Alliance side. Blue does get 5 ranking points there.